Hey, my name is Shilly. I'm a junior from Texas A&M, and I work at the Crafts Palace at Camp Ozark. The Crafts Palace is special, and I love getting to teach classes and help the kids get creative through so many different activities. From pottery to stained glass to painting to decorating ceramics and making bracelets, the Crafts Palace has it all. I love the fact that I get to work so closely with the kids and see the joy in their eyes when they make something really special. Since we aren't counselors and aren't in cabins with the kids, we have some time to hang out, clean, organize, and decompress too. I enjoy working on the camp banners, decorations, and other special creative needs around camp that help make the kids' experience so much better. We have the top-of-the-line materials, tools, and resources here at camp. It's not just your average VBS crafts table. Patience has been really important for me this summer, and I've grown spiritually, emotionally, and relationally in how to love others and work with kids. Days can be long sometimes, and it's hard work, but it's so fulfilling. I also love the community we've built here at the Crafts Palace. I've met some of my best friends that I know I'll have for a long time after this summer, and I wouldn't trade these relationships for anything. As someone who loves anything artistic, working with kids, and facing exciting challenges, working at the Crafts Palace at Camp Ozark has been the best decision I could have made.